Look at this lonely survivor, helplessly trying to get to the top of the platform. Well, no need to worry anymore, survivors, because I bring you the blueprint. All you gotta do is place down the blueprint, find the fitting materials, and there you go. Your structure is built. Now you can just jump over to the next platform. Hey, hi, my name is Quartzy. The little sketch, so to speak, you just saw is the game I've been developing on for a while. Just recently, literally not even 24 hours ago, I went and did a huge update on the game, fixing almost all of the issues it had, except for one that I know of, which is great, except for item duplication. Why this is so important for me is because for the past 2 weeks, I have been fighting and rewriting code because of one little issue I had. And this small issue created even bigger issues, which is the reason why it took me so long to get to this point. Literally, because a tiny bug created bigger unfixable bugs. It took me 2 weeks to figure out that this tiny issue was causing every problem I was facing, and this just stopped development. I'm a little late when it comes to creating a devlog, but I would rather show something that I'm proud of rather than something that is not working at all, even though some of these bugs and glitches were hilarious. Alright, enough talk. Let me show you what the whole video was about, and that is showcasing the blueprint system. It is quite simple, but it gets the job done. To get the blueprint menu open, you press C for craft on your keyboard and then select one of the currently all identical squares, preferably the one that is active. This will then give you a blueprint preview so you can see where you are going to end up placing the structure down. The blueprint preview can only be seen by you and not by other players. Once the blueprint is placed down, other players will be able to see the blueprint as well and are able to contribute items towards it. Building is very simple. Just drop the item on top of the blueprint, it will suck it up like a black hole and whoosh, the item is gone. Once the required items all have been absorbed by the blueprint, it will turn into its structure and there you go. We got an epic crate. This is just one out of many devlogs I want to do. I will be explaining the game more in another video sometime, and I cannot wait for all of you to play it. I currently mainly do updates on Twitter, and I do stream some of my work on Twitch as well. See y'all in the next devlog.